Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix AdSense tax information in 2026. So if you're seeing a tax alert or your payments are on hold, this guide will help you correct everything step by step. First, open your browser and sign in to your Google AdSense account. Once inside, click the Payments tab from the left side menu. Now select Tax Info or Manage Tax Settings inside the Payments section. Here you'll see your current tax status. If anything is missing or incorrect, Google will show a warning. Click Add Tax Info or Update Tax Information to begin. Now select whether your account is individual or business. This must match your real earnings setup. Fill in your legal name, address, and tax identification details carefully. Depending on your country, you may need to submit forms like W-8BEN or local tax documents. After checking everything, submit your tax information for review. And if your form gets rejected, double-check spelling, address format, and ID consistency before resubmitting. Google usually processes tax updates within a short time, but sometimes it can take a few days. So that's how to fix AdSense tax information in 2026. Keeping your tax details correct is important to avoid payment delays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.